Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the player size on the MP3 downloader YouTube player. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a 5 minutes when the application is uploading. That's an ad and you click to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen and go to the settings icon. In the playback section you can find the last option, the pop-up player size. Click that and you can select small, medium, large or fit width, and just select one, for example the large, and click to the circle icon and click to the OK. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.